Nice shot!
Welcome back, everybody. Good morning. Hi, friends. Get out of here. Let's go to that one. Yeah, there we go. Hi. How's it going? What do we have here? I have to catch up on things. Oh, I'm not hearing any sound effects.
But we didn't restart.
My computer restarted. It did. On its own. Yep. It's fine. I know how to fix this. So far, it's just the Twitch alerts. Turn that off. Then back to monitor and output. Come over to my Twitch alerts. Control audio. Twitch. Control audio. Back to my settings. You went through 5 minutes of ads to get. It's true. You had to go through it. Should have only been 3 minutes of ads. I only run 3-minute ads, but maybe you had pre-rolls and ads. I don't know. And then we go over to audio. Change this button to something else, and then this button back to default. Then we change this button to anything else, and then this button back to what am I using? Speakers. Okay. Disable this, apply, disable this, apply. Move this to something, apply, move this to something again, apply. Default, apply. That should work now. Ayo, this is streaking and on a 32-month streak for subscribing too. The double streaker. Did we have anything that I missed? What have I missed? Lightning landed. Okay. That's something I missed. All right. I'm looking. I haven't changed any buttons, but you know, Twitch do be twitching. And I always run ads at the very beginning when I have nothing to do and nothing to say, because you guys are just sitting at the starting soon screen anyway. So I figured, why not go ahead and just start ads immediately and not have to worry about... Excuse me.
Nice shot.
Excuse me. Lizzie rolled a 100. Heck yeah. We still need someone to land 99 or above in order for Lightning to he has volunteered to donate $15 to our campaign. So we still have to try and get somebody to do a 99 on their drop game. Whew, I sneezed twice. I did a double sneeze. Congrats to Schloofs, who has landed as well. I'm going to go ahead and say this is for both you and Lightning. If you want to get a 15-minute timeout, I don't think that's how it works. I don't think it's how it works. I did work on the dragon a little bit more over the week because I was homesick Tuesday and Wednesday and I needed something to do. So I did work a little bit on the dragon, then I stopped myself because I was like, oh wait, no, we don't want to do that. We're also under $400 away from doing a giveaway of this cute little crochet snail that we made. So if you have it in your finances to be able to help out, we only have 3 more streams. Today, Monday, and Wednesday are the last 3 streams that I have before I'm on vacation, and I don't get back until the 30th, and I'm probably going to be jet lagged, so I'm not guaranteeing that I'm going to stream on the 30th. I hope to stream on the 31st to finish off the month, but I can't guarantee that either. I'm going to add a bonus Wednesday. Yes. We leave Thursday for our trip, so it's going to be a shorter stream because I still need to finish packing, but I am going to add a bonus Wednesday stream. Jet lag stream, right? Right, exactly. I have to play in church on that Sunday morning, and my pastor said he's not going to hold his breath. He's like, yeah, as soon as you volunteered and said that you were just coming back from Fiji on the 30th and we play in church on the 31st, as soon as you volunteered, I was like, yeah, she's probably not going to show up. Well, see, I think it should be fine because Fiji is a 15-hour time difference going this way. So coming back, my body is still going to feel like it's 15 hours ahead, and 8 o'clock on a Sunday morning is just going to be whatever 15 hours ahead of that, midnight? 1 a.m.? So I guess I'll probably be tired. It's gonna feel like 1 a.m. for my body. I'll probably be sleepy. Yeah. 15 hours is a hard time change, you know? That's a hard difference. 15 hours. Got some Grayson hair up here. We also have a Grayson on the dog cam for you guys this morning. Thanks to Mr. Becca for that. But I did the little head spikes, and I'm not sure what this is. Oh, these are the little eyebrows. That's right. And one of the dragon wings. Exclamation point join. So yeah, that's kind of what we're planning. I hope you guys saw the video that I posted yesterday over on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It was our Friday pack opening video. I hope you guys got a chance to look at it. Spoiler alert, I'm going to be in the air when Friday comes around next week. Friday doesn't exist in our calendar. We leave at 10:45 on the 21st and we land in Fiji on the 23rd. The 22nd doesn't exist. So, I'm going to have to figure out if there's a way that I can post it, like a scheduled post. I know I can on YouTube. I don't know if I can schedule post on Instagram and TikTok. I haven't looked into that quite yet. But either way, I will probably end up having to post the Friday video on Thursday instead, just to make sure we don't have any issues. I will bring a pack of cards with me to open over in Fiji, and I'll probably open it like on the beach because I'm gonna be that kind of person. Because why not? When in Fiji, I'm not gonna open it underwater. I have seen some people who bring their Pokemon cards underwater and open the Pokemon cards while they're scuba diving. I'm not gonna do that because what if I get the really expensive $2,000 card or something like that and it's underwater and it's now ruined? Not gonna happen. So what are the odds to actually get that card? Very slim. Or what if I get the Psyduck card, my chase? Exactly. I don't want to ruin any cards that I may want to keep. Yeah, this is the dragon we worked on Monday for Lightning. So we are almost done. Here's part of the dragon right here. We just have one more wing, and I gotta sew these little spikes on his head. And then put his eyebrows on. And then the dragon will be done. And then I have been off camera. I have been working on an Ariel, Little Mermaid. So I would like to... This is for Jandros. I was supposed to have had this done for Christmas for him. And obviously that didn't happen. So, oops. I want to try and work on that. Lizzie has landed.
Nice shot.
Congratulations. Before I even get started. There you go. So yeah, we're going to finish up this dragon real quick. Then we're going to jump into the Ariel. Hopefully finish up the Ariel. And then we'll go from there as to what else we want to do. Because a lot of the projects that I have left are already a bunch of bits and pieces here and there that I just need to start sewing together and or finish off pieces. But I haven't looked at the project in so long I don't even know what parts match. I don't know. I don't have a lot left in the realm of commissions though. So I'm getting close to catching up on all the commissions. Let me actually write down, I forgot to write down. Red mushroom for Bahuntame. Okay, there we go. That's on my list. Increase that project number. I know. We got to get up to 200, you know? But I did, as I mentioned in Discord, I think it would be really a fun idea that this summer, since I'm going to have off of school, that I'm going to add some extra stream days. I'm not going to stream every day, but I'm thinking of doing some daytime streams because I'm already going to be awake with Mr. Becca as he gets up to go to work anyway. I'm going to be awake and ready to go. So I might as well do some morning streams for you guys during the summer. And I'm thinking Wednesdays will be a wedding prep Wednesdays because I'm going to be working on wedding stuff this summer anyway. So it might be kind of fun to do some of the prayer squares that I need to get done, work on some of the crocheted flowers. I was gonna crochet my own bouquet. I need to finish off the flowers. I'm not actually doing my own bouquet. I've already bought a bouquet instead, but I want to use the flowers I've already made, and I want to use them as part of the decoration for the tables throughout the ceremony and the reception. And so I'd like to go ahead and get working on those, and then eventually I would like to start coming up with ideas of some DIY signage that I need to get done and make, and just do some co-working wedding prep stuff and have that be Wedding Prep Wednesdays. And then Lizzie brought up a good point that I have not done video game streams in a long time, besides a little bit of the that Paper Mario Thousand Year Door, but maybe over the summer to add some of the video game series back. I have a lot of video games. So what kind of vibe is our wedding? So our wedding is nerd meets romance. So it's got some traditional aspects to it, but it definitely has a lot of that nerdy gaming culture as well. Like, we're gonna have a lot of video game themed concepts in our wedding, and it's got that romantic thing. It's gonna have flowers and clean. It's gonna feel whimsical. I guess whimsical is probably a better word than romantic, It's a nerdy whimsy. I should specify it like that. So yeah. I've got a lot of things. Like, this is what I'm hoping. We're going to edit this, obviously. But this is what I'm hoping for our wedding cake. Something very similar to this. Like, it's just complete nerd. Complete nerd kingdom, you know? Nerd fandom, nerd vibes. So something similar to this. Not this exact cake, obviously, but something very similar that has our favorite video game series on it. And then this was Potion this morning when I was eating breakfast. I finished my cereal and she was staring at the bowl, laying her head on the counter, on the table. Excuse me. I'm still getting over my cold. I'm 99% better, which is great. I'm so glad I got sick before our trip. Get that out of my system, and now I should be good to go. Then this part, what happened to my black yarn I had up here? There you are. There it is. Alright. So yeah, that's kind of my plans, is to also add a video game stream or two into the rotation during the summers.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
15, 16, 17, 18. Alright. Then 7 across. Oh, I need to put the purple finger thingy on before Lightning yells at me. I can't deal with people yelling at me this early in the morning. You can't trick me. I looked up. Ooh, nice land, though.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. 3, 4. I have been working on moving some of the commands over from Mix It Up and Stream Elements over to StreamerBot, and I've been able to do a lot of those all by myself. I'm very proud of myself that Mr. Becca showed me how to do it once, and I've been able to do it. However, there are some that I have not been able to do
Lizard,
right now.
lizard, 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 lizard,
That I haven't been able to do because of lack of knowledge on the character modifiers, and to know like how to do $ username is how we do it in Mix It Up. So how to do that in other systems? I think they use the percentage sign and some other things. I don't know. I'm trying, Lizzie. Thanks. I'm trying. But this is what's amazing. I'm not really that amazing. I'm only a little bit amazing, but this right here, look down here at this number. This number, that is amazing. This community is amazing. Y'all have done this. You guys have done this. This number right here is amazing. We are less than $1,800 away from 25,000 for St. Jude. Oh, you finish off his St. Jude goal? Oh, Michael, that's amazing. That's so kind of you. What was his goal? Eek. Oh, my mouse is doing something very wonky. Oh, no. Alright, I need to close out of these things. My mouse is doing some weird stuff. Oh my gosh. My mouse.
Nice shot.
Aw, I love that. Thank you, Michael, for being so generous. Lightning has landed again? Lightning, that's twice in a row. I haven't even given you one eyeball. Michael. Put Lightning into a corner. Tell him to stop this. Hi, Skelepuppy. How are you?
If you close your eyes,
Sound effects are still not working. Computer decided to restart last night. I don't understand why. You know how I couldn't keep the smile off my face? Hey Tyler, welcome in. Doop 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 doop. How are your niece and nephews? They are wonderful. Nobody puts lightning into a corner except Lizzie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're gonna close out of that, and then push this button, close out of that. Do it again, come over here. Change this.
The hunt is on
This.
for sweets and treats.
And then change it right back. And then come over here. I see. Turn that off. And then turn it back on. I don't know. I don't know, friends. I'm not sure. Grayson Potion Lancelot treat, though, from Auntie Skelepuppy. Okay. Alright. I'll throw this at Grayson. He's on the dog cam right now, so I'll throw this at Grayson. Here, Grayson. Yeah. Hey, Lancelot. Hey, Potion. There you go. Everybody got their Treato. Hydration. Playing some Jackbox. Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Welcome in. Doblin X is here to party. This 22-year-old streamer is all about those chill vibes and having a blast, even if the games don't always go her way. She's been playing Jackbox Party Packs recently, bringing the fun and laughter to her streams. With ADHD energy and a heart for St. Jude, Doblin X is all about good times and great company. Well, welcome in, Heather. Welcome in as well. Doblin, I hope you had a fantastic time during Jackbox. I've only done Jackbox, I think, once or twice on stream, just because you have to be very careful. We are a family-friendly community, so you have to be very cautious about the trolls on the internet. Welcome in, Hops! How's it going, everybody? We are crocheting for St. Jude, so we are working on our St. Jude goal. We are less than $1,800 away from our $25,000 milestone. Lifetime for St. Jude. I did tell my community if we hit $3,000, that means I'm going to have to play Elden Ring.
Lizard.
I don't like it here. I don't like it here.
Welcome to the Boot Crew.
But I do like that we have. You love to crochet? Oh, I love that. Yay!
Lizard.
Welcome in. Welcome to the Kaboo Crew.
Welcome to
I
the
must
Boot
eat
Crew.
you. Thank you. Welcome to our new followers. You just started with Among Us and then swapped to Jackbox.
Lizard.
That you can tell. Exactly, yes.
Welcome to the Boot Crew.
And another friend. Another friend. Hi, new friends. Y'all are delicious. Lizzie Niceland.
Nice shot.
Raiders, if you guys don't know who I am, though, my name is Becca. I'm a variety charity streamer here on Twitch. I mostly do crochet artwork. We do have an auction available right now as well. If somebody could put !! auction in chat, that way our raiders can see some of the things that we have available. Butterfly Raven, welcome in. Thank you for raiding. If you click on that link, you can see different crochet items and handmade stuff that were donated by myself, my mom, our community, that are up for auction. If you want to bid on anything, 100% of those proceeds go to our St. Jude campaign to help us get to that $25,000 lifetime goal. It goes until the end of the month, so you have another 2 weeks to be able to get those bids in and see if there's something you would like to win. One of the items available for auction is this crocheted alien. So if you like aliens or anything space themed, I have a lot of crochet space crafts and creations. I'm trying to look to see where I put all the rest of my things. I feel like I moved them somewhere. Heck, they're somewhere. But welcome in, everybody. I am a music therapist. I work with kids with special needs. So this is a wholesome, welcoming, family-friendly community that strives to bring joy and positivity to everybody's day and make this a safe place on the internet for people of all ages and abilities. I have 3 wonderful doggos. We do fundraise for a lot of different organizations, but our current choice is St. Jude for the month of May. Psyduck is my favorite, so you may see a lot of Psyduck things, just a couple, a little trifle, a couple of things around here. If you need to raid and run, though, please take care of yourself, IRL before you were out. I so appreciate you guys hitting that heart. That heart was hollow, and you decided to give me a follow anyway. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for also fundraising for St. Jude. I hope your campaign, if you are running a campaign right now, I hope your campaign is going well. And I can't wait to see you guys on future streams. I only have 2 more streams after today. Girls sleepy, yes, please take care of yourself. I got 2 more streams, Monday evening and Wednesday evening, and then I'm going to Fiji. So I'm going on vacation, and I'm going to be gone for the following 10 days, 9 days. So I hope to be able to stream on the 31st. That way we can watch the auction complete and everything. We've got another streaker in chat. Skelepuppy is streaking. Thank you so much. Have a good sleep. I hope your stream was amazing. And take care, new friend. Appreciate you. Alright, you guys. If that heart is hollow, please go give Doblin a follow as well. I'm doing it right now. You should join me in following our new friends and go hang out in their community as they stream again. But yes, we are working on this cute little mini dragon. So this is what our crochet project is today. Little mini dragon. So that's what we're finishing up real quick. And then I'm going to work on finishing up most, if not all, of a Little Mermaid Ariel doll that I've been working on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we skip 2 stitches and then come over here. All right. What was I talking about before we got so amazingly generously rated? I don't even remember. We do have Tangia Dungeons that go on throughout stream as well. It is a free way to engage in the chat, keep you as an active viewer for Twitch's viewership purposes. Tyler is also streaking. We've got so many streakers today. Oh my goodness. We were talking about putting lightning in a corner. Fair enough. Yes, absolutely. And talk about how much I love pineapple. So very much. I remember... No, wait. That was during the raid. I was telling the raiders that we were going to do Elden Ring. I've never done a Souls game before. So, if we're able to hit that $3,000 mark or $25,000, that's basically the same thing, then I will have to play Elden Ring. And I'm not looking forward to that at all. Not looking forward to that in the slightest. I was supposed to cut this here. Hi, Lancelot. Say hello to my children. Child number 2 wants to know what you're making. Hello, children. We are currently working on a mini dragon. So I'm finishing up the last wing and then putting all the pieces together for this mini dragon. This was a commission from Lightning. So I'm working on this, and then after that, I am going to be finishing up an Ariel. So I've been working on Ariel from The Little Mermaid off camera. So I need to finish this guy up as well later. Bad lightning? What, you think it should be pink? What, you think it should be pink? Can we please get a shout out for Death and Rebirth? You just placed a bid. Oh, thank you so much, Raven. Ah, I love that. And it is open to people internationally. I forgot to make that caveat. It is open internationally. The only caveat I ask there is if you are international to please be willing to help out with shipping. You don't have to cover the whole thing, but to be willing to help out with shipping would be very kind and generous. We do have a lot of international folk in chat, so I don't want you to feel like you're not allowed to win something or bid. So who? Butterfly Raven had just said that they placed a bid, so that was the only one. 6-7. You're welcome, Death's children. Good morning.
Nice shot.
We got another land. Oh my goodness. We have a goal that if anybody in chat lands for 99 or higher, that Lightning will donate to our campaign. He'll donate $15 to our campaign. So get those drops in. Exclamation point drop. Anybody can land for a 99 or above. Then we will get an additional donation to our campaign. Congratulations, Death, on hitting $1,600 yesterday for St. Jude. Hey, I landed too. Nice. Yay me.
Nice shot.
I landed too. This is for Lightning and myself. Raven, you're supposed to go towards the land, the target. You're not supposed to hang out on the wall. You're supposed to come to the target. Raven. Raven. You're supposed to go towards the target, Raven. Now you said 15, or was it 50? Or was it 500? I think it was 500. I think it was 500. Lightning was going to donate $500 to charity. Oh, it was $555? Got it. Yeah. Because you're donating in honor of Lizzie 555, so you're going to donate $555. Understood. I get it. Yeah. I appreciate your generosity. That is so kind of you. The eyes were for you. Oh, sorry. The eyes were for Lizzie. Oh, my bad. My bad.
Lizard, 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 lizard,
Hey,
lizard, lizard.
get this
lizard,
string out of
lizard,
my way.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Don't you bunk me. I apologize. I'm sorry. Help. Stop it.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Excuse me? Excuse
Yes?
me?
Yes?
Excuse me?
Yes?
Mommy? Sorry.
Yes?
Mommy? Sorry.
Yes?
Mommy?
Yes?
Sorry. Mommy? Sorry.
Yes?
Mommy?
What is your amount? Excuse me? Excuse me? I don't believe I was ever talking about pineapple. Fairly certain I was not talking about pineapple in the slightest. But if I was, it definitely was not about loving pineapple. It was probably about how it's the worst concoction creation on the face of this earth. That's all I ever talk. I feel like I talk about Psyduck much more than I talk about pineapple. Pretty sure I talk about Psyduck way more than I talk about pineapple. Just saying. I feel like that's what I talk about more. Doop, 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 doop. Trying to make sure that this stays straight down the back of this dragon's head. It is quite challenging to make sure that's the case. You dream about pineapple. I had a dream last night, and then I woke up and I forgot it, and I was very sad. It's like, oh man, that is the worst. Did you know why she likes Psyduck? It's because he's yellow like pineapple. Is that it? Is that really the case? You think so? Fact. Oh. Well then. I don't know. I feel like I am being bamboozled by chat. I have a moderator and a VIP ganging up to... We're supposed to be putting Lightning in a corner. Why are y'all putting me in the corner? You're supposed to be on my side, Lizzie. You're not supposed to be on Lightning's side. Good, I hope you enjoy your non-points. Sorry, Aeolus, that was aggressive towards you. It was not meant to be aggressive towards you. It was meant to be aggressive because Lizzie and Lightning are bullying me. Because Lightning already timed you out once today. Yeah, so you should be on my side. You should not be on Lightning's side. But it seems like you've teamed up with the enemy. Aren't brothers and sisters supposed to fight? Like, y'all aren't supposed to be buddies. You're supposed to argue and fight. At least that's what I do with my siblings. We're working on getting this spike. I got distracted and I decided I wanted to put the spike on instead of finishing up crocheting the wing. We'll get back to it, I promise. I just felt like getting this spike attached to his head. And see, it's going at an angle. It's like significantly going. But when you look at it from this direction, it doesn't look like it's going too much at an angle. But when you look at it from the back, it's like super angled to the side. But it's mostly good. It's not crazy or anything. Alright, let's see. Get this into the final stitch over here. There we go. Okay. Perfect. There we go. Alright, the spike are attached. Attached. Let's tie this together. I love that I've been able to use up just some scrap yarn to make a bunch of these projects. It's so good when I can just use up some scrap and not have to open a brand new skein of yarn. It's so nice. I'm going to be off camera for just a second because this is sticking. Okay. Okie dokie. There we go. Perfect. Siblings have a love-hate relation. It's very true. It's very true. Like, being a ride or die for your sibling, but also wanting to punch them in the face. Very typical mindset. I get it. I understand. Alright, so now we do a chain. And then we crochet 7. Help. 3, 4. Yes, exclamation point Q drop. Six and 7. Now we skip 1 and then crochet 6. Oh no! Help! 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Leave that last stitch open. All right, everybody get in, exclamation point drop. The drops are cued. Next, we do not turn. Decrease. 1, 2, 3. Skip a stitch. These extra yarn tails are in my way. And decrease. Without turning, do another decrease. Or without turning chain. You still have to turn. Join! Joins. More peeps. Welcome in, Warrior of Truth. Yes, drop. Everybody get your drops in. Remember, we just need somebody, anybody, to get a 99 or better. And Lightning's going to donate $555 to our campaign in honor of his favorite love-hate relationship with Lizzie. Got knocked out of the way. We didn't land. We all lost. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. Gonna get your in real life brother to edit a sound clip for you. Perfect. Yeah, just once you have that, shoot it over our way, and Mr. Becca and I will figure out how to add that via Streamer Bots. I know how to add it through Mix It Up, so I can get it added immediately. But I'm trying to minimize. I have so many applications open on my computer when I stream that my mouse is just really struggle busing. To the point where I'm tempted to go back to a wired mouse and not a wireless mouse. Like, I'm so tempted to go back to wired. I'm just struggle busing. 2 chains, slip stitch one stitch into the second chain. Basically like a picot stitch. And then 2, skip a stitch, 1 and a slip stitch. And then we should be done with this wing. Yes, we are. All right. It's for $15. It is, chat. It's for 15. I'm not going to hold Lightning accountable for 555. I was just teasing him. For all legal purposes, in case somebody starts to get upset, like, why didn't that number go up? It's for $15. $15.17. Lizzie has to pay the rest. It's a $1 minimum, so she can't pay the 17 cents, unfortunately. It is a $1 minimum on Tiltify. Alright, there we go. We got these. So now we take the wings. Hey, get off me. Lizzie already donated $250 to our community, to our campaign. We don't need her to donate more. Cheers. Alright, so now we have to add the wings. I'm scrolling down on the pattern. Does it say where? Okay, on the side. So it's not on the back like I thought it was going to be. It's more like on the side. I thought they were going to be like in the back like my chars are, but it's not. It wants me to be more on the side like so. Alright, that's fine. Doable! Alright, I have the basics attached, so now I'm going to take the black strands here and I'm going to sew them down as well. We're gonna somehow, there we go. You roll a 100, a 55, and a 5 today. So it's meant to be the 555. Because 10 times 5 is 500, plus 55 is 555. It's all meant to be, Lizzie. Bum, bum, beep, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Beep, bum, bum. Yes? Trollo. Lolololololo. Trolololo. I'm going to weave this guy up here one more stitch. There we go. There, now we're nice and solid. Alright, this tail needs to get out of my way before I cut this dragon's tail off. The tail is being annoying. Yes? Join! Join! Tie this into a knot as well. Okay, now we're gonna shove these back into the project. Somewhere. Some way, somehow. Perfect. What are you doing down there? Get out of there. That's not your spot. I'm so excited for my new Yoshi game, you guys. It's already on my Switch. I can't download it until the 21st, but it has shown up on my Switch, like it's ready to, the content's ready to be downloaded. So excited. I've also decided that I am practically done with Pokopia. And I have found most of the Pokemon. I have beaten the story. I have found most of the recipes. And at this point, I'm not the most creative, crafty person when it comes to building houses and habitats. That it just feels monotonous because I don't know how to build things, and I get frustrated seeing all these other people's amazing, beautiful builds, and I can't do that. So I'm content with what I have built so far. I have built 3 features, 3.5 things completely out of my own ideas, and they are fine. They're not fantastic, but yeah. I've also not played Echoes of Wisdom. I do have that game. I have not played it yet. So that's one of the games I would love to play this summer on stream, probably. And I have Princess Peach's Showdown that we have to play. I still have to finish Thousand Year Door. Need to do that one. But yes, this new Yoshi game, I'm thinking I'm going to have that be my Fiji game that I'm going to play at the airport and on the plane and on the bus ride. I need to be careful about the bus ride because I do get motion sick, so I don't want to be doing too much and possibly get myself sick on the travel thing. You have Stray that needs to, yeah, I haven't played Stray either. I don't own Stray, but I have heard wonderful things. I know PK loved that game a whole bunch. I know quite a few people played Stray and said it was a really, really great game. Alright, there we go. There's the other wing. So let's weave this down. Trying to get these strings out of my way so I can see what I'm doing. How's it going? Amazing.
Lizard.
Raid coming in from Lego Fortnite Odyssey. Your crocheting so cute. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. We are just now finishing up this little dragon commission. But I do have items available if you guys would like to bid. We're running a St. Jude auction house right now.
Welcome to the
Becca
Book
Boo
Crew.
Thank you for that follow. Thank you so very much. Welcome to Becca Boo Crew. I must eat you. I do have a few items available for bid. We have this crochet alien that you can bid on. We have a crochet pink hat pink astronaut girl. And we have a crochet rocket ship. Let me see if I can pull the pictures up. So here's our rocket ship that's available for bid. Yes, I'm hello, Tangia's calling. Hello, Tangia? You good? Oh, Discord, that's what it was. I was like, what is happening? And we also have a pink astronaut girl available for bid as well. So these are based off of St. Jude artwork. So you can see back here, we've got the pink hat, the pink astronaut girl, as well as the rocket that are based off of St. Jude artwork that are available. Welcome in, Quicksilver. How are you? Thank you for sending that, Tangia. Raiders, welcome in. Thank you for coming in with Miss Euphonium's raid. How was your stream? How was Lego Fortnite? I have lost my mouse. There it is. Okay. Let's see. Miss Euphonium just raiding from Lego Fortnite Odyssey. They're all about gaming for good life, building Legos, and saving the world one Velociraptor abduction at a time. When they're not busy being a goofball or having singing outbursts, they're dropping knowledge bombs and encouraging their chat to be the best they can be. We love to see it. Love to see it. Oh, thank you for the biddies. And welcome to the Becca Brew Crew to you as well. Thank you so much for that follow as well. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Little Star Wars update was cute. Pardon the raid and run. It's nearly midnight in Japan. Keep being amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate you coming in with that raid. Please take care of yourself. Raid and run. IRL before URL. For anybody that came in with that raid, stand up, stretch, hydrate, go get you something to eat, go to sleep, love your loved one, pet your pets, dog your dogs, whatever you need to do. I love you. Thank you for being amazing, wonderful human beings. Mwah! If that heart is hollow, please consider giving me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. We are a family-friendly content space, so if you vibe in that kind of space, we are a wholesome, welcoming, family-friendly community that shows joy and positivity to everybody of all different ages and abilities.
Welcome to the Boot Crew.
Thank you for that follow as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are making me eat my sweet tarts today. Love it. We love it. Alright, I'm trying to check something over here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to turn that off. Okay, I think that should be okay. I've turned that off. All right, let's finish adding this wing to our dwagon here. Get this dwagon all finished up. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We're going to take the strand of this black yarn tail and we're going to toss that into the wing just to help it stay flush against the back. And then we'll take the tail of the light blue and tie that to the other strand. There we go. All right, that's what we wanted to see. Tie it together. This guy is almost done. Lightning, I'm going to give you the option. You just tried a bread recipe. That's excellent. Ooh, like a homemade bread. I saw a recipe yesterday. I was scrolling on Instagram or on Facebook Reels last night. And there was a bread recipe that sounded very simple and easy to make. And I was like, ooh. I did make a whole bunch of homemade bread during COVID, like everybody else did when you couldn't find toilet paper or bread. But I also had a food allergy during COVID that I had to be aware of. So I was trying to make, do the science of gluten-free bread. So that was a whole thing. You got it from Instagram? Nice. Don't forget to go check out my Instagram if you haven't already. I do post Pokemon card pack opening videos every Friday. And I also try to remember to post crochet projects and clips from stream and things like that on Twitch as well, from Twitch as well. Alright, ads are kicking off. I'll see you guys in 3 minutes. Alright, there we go. Both of the wings are now attached. Shadow, welcome in! Drop an alert before you head out. No problem. Alright, there we go. Our dragon has wings. Alright, Lightning, it's up to you. Would you like me to put the eyebrows over the eyes to make him look like he's angry? Do you want the angry eyeballs or not so much? Because this is what it looks like with the eyebrows. Or we can have it just like it currently is with no eyebrows. We can add the angry eyebrows if you would like. Yay! You guys, look, we're up to $97 of commitments for our auction. So don't forget, we have tons of auction. How do I look at this? I want to show you guys our auction. How do I edit? Ah, view auction house. Here we go. So here are the items that we currently have. We've got our rocket ship Levy, our pink Hatstronaut girl, some Pokemon cards, Shadow's 3D printed dragons, our crochet keychains, which I need to edit that, actually. Let me come over here. Auction items. Where are the keychains from Lizzie? This one. We're gonna edit this. Images. I want this to be as the default image. There we go. Okay, so that'll edit in a second. We've got some gift bags, some space-themed guitar and ukulele covers. Somebody remind Dom314 that he was trying to bid on this, but then he couldn't because his credit card wasn't added to Tiltify and he didn't want to dox himself. Somebody remind Dom314 to
Nice
get
shot!
his bids on for that. We've got some tissue box covers. We've got water Pokemon themed coasters. We've got miscellaneous Pokemon themed coasters. A gift set with random miscellaneous music items. We've got the crochet dinosaur donut, the bear donut, the Yoda donut, and the sunflower donut. We've got some cross-stitch coasters from Sunny, the Bless Your Heart cookie cutters, the blue, pink, and purple flower headbands inspired by St. Jude Patient Faith's artwork, and the crochet alien. So there's lots of different things that are up for bid in this auction house. You got a Lego ad? You're not unsubscribed, are you? Oh, congratulations! You get ads now. Congratulations! I'm proud of you for taking the sacrifice so you can see what kind of ads that we get in this space. Now that you're back, can you please let me know, would you like your dragon to have the eyebrows on top of his eyes to make him look kind of grumpy? Or would you like his eyes to be happy and normal? You can just tell me eyebrows or no brows. I'm done with all of this yarn, so I'm going to take this yarn and put it behind me. Get that out of the way. We're also $38 away from our next Pokemon card pack opening that we have to do. Every $50 for this campaign, we open a Pokemon pack. Is a unibrow an option? It is Lightning's commission, so if Lightning would like a unibrow, we could definitely make it a unibrow. We could make it a unibrow. All your money this month and next month is going to St. Jude and Cancer. I love that. I love that. Thank you for spending your extra income and extra money on St. Jude and charitable causes. That is so kind of you to do. Eyebrows. Okay. All right, let's put these eyebrows on. Yes, a unibrow. Oh my gosh. You do not actually want a unibrow, do you? I'll make it a unibrow. Don't tempt me. I'll do it.
Lizard. Lizard.
I'll do it.
Lizard. Lizard.
Challenge accepted.
Lizard. 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 Lizard.
What have you
lizard,
started,
lizard,
right?
lizard,
Moxie,
lizard.
what have you done? What have you done? Huh, don't you start with me, Lizzie Marie. It looks cute. I mean, it's up to you. You've got like 30 seconds before I start sewing this eyebrow down. If you would like a unibrow, I can do that. I would not recommend a unibrow. Just do it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Nice shot.
Okay. All right. Well, he has spoken, chat. He wants a unibrow. Lizzie has landed twice. This is a double land for Lizzie. Get your drops in. Go, 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 go. More non-points. I can't get this in. There we go. The back of the stitch. There we go. Lightning is very happy that you suggested a unibrow. Last Saturday for St. Jude? I know. So next Saturday and the Saturday after, I'm going to be in Fiji. I'm sorry, Edge. I'm going to be gone. Woe is Tobacco. I know. It's just the worst. Which means people have to get their donations in sooner rather than later. Don't wait until the end of the month unless you absolutely have to. But we are less than $1,800 away from hitting 25,000 lifetime for St. Jude. And I would love to be able to hit that milestone. All right, Lightning wanted a unibrow, so we're making this life is very hard. I'm gonna be scuba diving in just like the ugliest place on Earth. It's just gonna be the worst. It's gonna be the worst. I know. It sucks. It sucks so much. I can't believe I'm being dragged on a 13-and-a-half-hour flight to go scuba diving in Fiji, of all places. Ugh. Gag me with a spoon. Quite literally the worst. But that does mean it is our last Saturday stream, because I land on the 30th and I'm going to be jet lagged AH. There you go. We have our unibrow. Our unibrow dragon here. He does look like he's like kind of angry, an angry unibrow. I like it. That's a PK. That is a purple kitty. What are you doing awake? Lockpick, welcome in. Thank you for dropping. Lightning, get off me. PK is go zooming. Adge, you are still the leader in your auction. Don't worry. You have not been outbid yet. I'm encouraging people to try and outbid you. But also, Death has come in and he has bid on a few items in the auction house as well. So, if you guys want to start a bidding war, it's all for fun, it's all for the kids. So please, outbid your friends. If you see that they have bid on something and you're just like, I can make them pay more, make them pay more. Increase that bid a little bit. You're playing Palia, you're addicted. I've noticed you have been awake and streaming when I'm just like, why are you alive right now? You should definitely be asleep. You guys, we are less than $1,800 away from having to play Elden Ring for the first and only time. There we go. All right. Our dragon is finished. Hype. Hype. You can make it fun. You would bid a penny each time. I feel like when you bid on something... Let me see. If I try to outbid... You have to bid by $1. You have to increase each bid by $1, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Responsibly, of course. Don't go beyond... Exactly. Don't bid on something that you can't financially afford because you would be locked into actually paying for it. And don't go outside of your means. Make sure all of your household needs are taken care of. Gas, groceries, utilities, mortgage, all those kind of things. And then with whatever extra income you have, if you're like, you know what, I can stop drinking Starbucks for a week, I'll take an extra $30 and I'll bid on something. There we go. Lightning, your dragon is finished. What is food? Sweet tarts that I got for half price at the gas station because they were on clearance. All right, Lightning, your dragon is done and it's added over into your stash of projects. Beautiful. All right, let's grab this because we are going to now work on this little Ariel doll I have been working on
Nice
here and
shot.
there. Who landed? And for what amount? Just a little amount? Just your toe? Not a 99. 29 though. Eat the extra Lego bricks laying around. It's not really very fiberful though. Like, at least eat some yarn, because yarn is full of fiber. Get it? Get it? Ha ha ha. Fiber, yarn. Ha. Anyway, this is for Lizzie. Congratulations on your land. Yarn is a better option around here. However, we did do a little mini nano build pineapple that was gifted to us by Lightning, and I have not had the chance, but we got this random piece in the box, so I've made it a weapon. So now our pineapple is going to have a weapon. I'm going to super glue it onto the piece over here. So yeah, this is our pineapple friend Peter. This is Peter Pineapple. So we do occasionally do some Lego stuff, and this is a pattern that Lizzie created, and so we made a little Lego brick minifig crochet keychain. So this will be up for, not for auction. You can bid on Lizzie's in the auction. This one's going to be for giveaway at some point. I'll keep it for a giveaway for people. I'm also going to make one for my brother. I might make it like a larger size. I may take Lizzie's pattern and use blanket yarn or something like a lot bigger. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious, I'm sneezing a lot today. Wow, thank you. I may make that in a larger pattern. Like, take the pattern and just use larger hook size and larger yarn and see what we can do. Yeah, this is the book that I've been using. I've made these Disney princesses before. I've not made all of them. I haven't made Aurora. I haven't made... I have made Belle. I haven't made Jasmine. And I haven't made Tiana. And I haven't made Merida. Or Rapunzel. So I haven't done a lot of them, but I have done Belle. I have done Ariel. I have done Cinderella. Alright, so here's the list of all the patterns. So I have not done Fairy Godmother. I have made... Have I made Snow White? Let me look. I don't think I did Snow White. I think I did not do Snow White. I have not done her Aurora. I have not done Pocahontas, Mulan, Tiana, Rapunzel, Merida. So I've really only done 3 of them. So I've done
Nice
Cinderella, Ariel, and Belle. Out of all of these. There's 12 projects in here. I've only done 3 of them. I should probably make more of them. Lightning, nice land. I'm going to deliver the box, right? I know. Save on shipping costs and just have me add a whole bunch of gas. So instead of me charging you for shipping, I'm going to charge you for gas money. To drive all the way up to Timbuktu. Lightning, congratulations. You walk? I will be so skinny. I'll be so skinny afterwards. Y'all don't even know. Okay, so for her... We need to make her bikini. We need to cover up her boobies. We need to cover up her boobies. And I need for her bikini top. This is not going to be enough purple, so we have to go get some purple scrap yarn. So let me go get some purple scrap yarn so we can do her little bikini top and make sure she's not naked. Lancelot. 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 No? There, we did it. We got it. Drops are cute. Exclamation point drop. Get in on this party. Remember, if you guys are in the background and you are just lurking because you've got other stuff you have to do today and you are just chilling and relaxing all cool, shooting some b-ball outside of the school, you know what? I'm okay with that because every lurk helps us increase the viewership numbers, which then helps people when they are looking on Twitch. And like, who should we go observe and go view and go raid into? People are just like, oh my gosh, that person over there has 3 viewers and this person has 30 viewers. Wow, there are people that want to go there. What's St. Jude? Let me click on that stream and see what's going on. So every lurker, every viewer that we can have helps us increase the chance of other people finding our community and helping them learn about what St. Jude is all about. Exclamation point St. Jude SJ fact. Exclamation point SJ fact will get you some extra St. Jude facts for your Saturday morning. All right. Let's make a bikini. Maybe. There's the end. That's how you got here, or did lightning drag you in? Why not both? Why not both? From the very first day, St. Jude builds a support network for our families that includes doctors, nurses, chaplains, social workers, psychologists, and teachers. This team approach helps lower fear for patients because the same people care for them throughout their treatment. We love that. And I haven't heard the fact, I don't know the statistic, but I feel like there's not a lot of turnover in the St. Jude job market and world. That when you go work for St. Jude, you work there for a long time because you are just so happy to go to work. And it's so meaningful to go to work. I'm sure it's still exhausting because it is healthcare. And the healthcare burnout is absolutely real. But I feel like, I don't know this for fact, I'm just guessing, but I feel like it's so much more pleasant to work at St. Jude than another hospital would be. That people probably stick around. All right, so with the purple yarn, chain 2. Understood. Chain 2, and then crochet 3 stitches into the second chain. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Crochet 3 into the second. We're making the bikini to cover up her boobies. 1, 2, 3. Lizzie is a big troll. Oh! I didn't know Lizzie was a troll. I'm sure it takes one to know one. Pretty sure. Chain 10 or long enough to fit snugly around the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, we're gonna put this on the front. I wanna make sure it is... That's not very snug. We're gonna take a couple of stitches out. We want it to be snug. Let's take 2 stitches out and make sure it is still snug. There's her bikini top. That will be nice and snug. Okay. Perfect. Fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Okay. Alright. Beautiful. Excuse me. Okay, so there's her bikini top. I'm not gonna sew the bikini top down quite yet because I want to make sure everything else gets sewn down first before we do that, but it will go approximately here because this is the front of, I guess it could be either side, it could be the front, but this is the front side of her. It's very blurry up here. Hold on a second. There we go. Now it's less blurry. So that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. So here's the front. It's got this little like V contour on her top. We just need to make the 2 fins and then start sewing stuff together. So this one should be done fairly quickly. You know what? I probably could have used the other purple yarn. I probably did have enough scrap, but I didn't want to chance it. Okay, now to make the fins right there with the light green yarn, which is this. What just happened? I literally just used this the other day. I don't remember tying this back together. Apparently I did. You forgot?
Exclamation mark.
Everybody get your biddies on here. Throw some chaos in our way. Yeah. Alright, Lizzie. Oh. Lightning knocked Lizzie. You knocked him. I thought you were going straight for the target. I'm going? Oh, somehow I attempted to make my way back. Making my way downtown. Alright. Light green yarn. Chain 7. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. Da, 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 da. I'm being cautious about how much I say because this is a book you have to pay for. I mean, I'm not going to read the entire pattern for free because that is not fair to this artist. I do recommend this book. This book is very cute. If you've never looked at these patterns before, I do highly recommend it. They are simple-ish. They do require some amigurumi knowledge and skill, but it's definitely something I recommend. You love when you see me on your recommended tab. We still need to hit the 99 in the drop game. We need to. We need to. How are you, Sploofs? How's your Saturday morning treating you? Are you excited for your stream later today? Exclamation point and join. Get in on this next dungeon. We are just finishing up all the bits and pieces of this aerial. Trying to finish some commissions and get projects off of my to-do list and add to our finished projects number. Drops are cute! Exclamation point drop! Get them in there! Everybody should do it. It is free to do. Just type exclamation point and drop. That's all you gotta do. It is free, so why wouldn't you do it? And you have the chance of helping us raise money for St. Jude. Because if anybody is able to land at 99 or above, Lightning has volunteered to donate to our campaign. He's gonna donate $3,000 to our campaign. $3,000 pesos. Drop perfectly. Exactly, right? 3,000 Canadian pesos. You could drop your sword, you're out. Peace out, dudes. Bye. And don't forget, you can go away with these 3 beautiful crocheted keychains gifted to our community by Lizzie herself. by going over to our auction, exclamation point auction, bidding on these. It is a great deal. To get 3 keychains for the price of 1? So good. The ghost glows in the dark too. Go look at the pictures. I posted the photo of it glowing in the dark. There's proof. There's physical proof. I've got the receipts. It does indeed work. Unfortunately, you have to do the minimum bid. And the minimum bid for the keychains is $15. So you get 3 keychains for the price of 1. That's basically $5 a keychain. Like, for these kind of keychains, I would charge at least $15 for. Between $10 and $15 for each keychain. But remember, this money is not just you getting keychains. It is giving money to St. Jude. You're helping cure cancer and get some keychains in return. Come on now. Come on now. But also, I mean, you guys have been watching me open Pokemon card packs. There is... I have added on there a set of 4 Pokemon cards. Okay? 4 booster packs. For $10? $10? Come on now. You can't beat that. Come on now. Market value for these cards? Look at this. It's $35 for 4 packs is market value. And I was being generous. I was looking at the app, at the collector app, and looking at what the market price is for some of these. Some of the packs are running $7 or more. $7 to $10 per pack. Okay? So for $10, you can get 4 packs. So that's that. And then when it comes to these donuts, like, I asked $25 for these donuts, and they're $10? Come on now. Come on. $10? That's less than half the value. You get, it's like 60% off. Talk about good deals on all these things. We've had these headbands for over a year. I am very shocked and surprised that not a single person has bid on one of these headbands. They're so, so cute, and they are soft, and they fit perfectly. They keep your ears warm. They're like little ear warmer headbands. Oh, they are so, so, so nice. I have made tons of these. They are a big seller at my craft fairs, but I have saved these 3 specifically for our St. Jude auctions because the artwork that we used to make these, to find the coloration of these colors, we used from St. Jude Patient Faith. Her artwork was the inspiration for making these. I need to model them? Done. Say no more. Say no more. Alright, so look. It comes out easily. It's just a button, and there's a little button hole here. So you just slide the button through, and it makes a nice little headband. You can do it on or off your head. Boom. Now, you can have it on the side like this, to where it's covering your ears. Or you can move it up over your head a little bit. You can still have it cover your ears. I like having it down on my head just slightly, like this, to keep my ears slightly covered. You can see that I've got big ears though, so you can see that my ears are not quite 100% covered, but ta-da, ta-da. And then you can see on the back the little button right in the back here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that's your purple one. And then we also have the blue one with a beautiful navy blue button. Now, because I am right-handed, I like to have my buttonhole on the right-hand side. You can have the flower on the other side. If that so suits you and you would like to have the flower on the other side, let's do it. Let's move the flower to the other side. Why not? There. See? Now the flower's on the other side. Just depends on which side you like the flower on the best. I like my flower personally on my left side, but that is individual's choice. You can also be the kind of person who wants to have the flower on the top of your head like a unicorn. There's no judgment here. So that's the blue one. We also have our pink one with a similar coloration of pink button.
President.
Get those drops in. Get those drops going. I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, there we go. And so here's the pink one. The pink one's my favorite one. One, because obviously pink is my favorite color, but also it's a little bit larger than the other ones for some reason. It feels larger on my head, and it just is super soft. It's great especially for patients that have been going through chemo. It doesn't cover your entire head, but it helps make you feel beautiful. You're beautiful with or without your hair, but this would help keep your head a little bit warmer, especially when you're going through chemo treatments, and you know, there you go. Ow. I pulled my hair. That was not the project's fault. That was my fault. User error. So there you go. Those are the three. Those are the three headbands that are still available that I'm surprised nobody bid on them last season. And I'm only asking $5 for them. And I would normally charge 20 bucks a headband. Okay? Well, normally I ask 15, but in order to help out with charity, I'm increasing the price a little bit because charity. But $5.
Lizard.
Come on now.
Lizard.
$5. Stop with the ducks. Oh my gosh, the ducks are coming everywhere. But I'm so surprised. Those are $5 a piece. Come on. You know somebody, you have a sister or a niece or an aunt, somebody in your life is going to want one of those. Or you have a friend who's been going through chemo and you want to help give them something that brings them a little bit of peace and joy. This is a perfect $5 gift. That's it. $5 total. I pay for the shipping. So it's $5. It's probably going to cost me more in shipping to get this to you than I'm charging you for it. But also, if you want to bid more than $5, you're welcome to. You don't have to only do the minimum bid. You can bid the full 20 if you want to. Nobody's ever going to tell you to not bid more than the minimum value. No one's ever going to tell you that. All right. We're good. Now, let's put these little tails on this. It is a $5 minimum bid. I'm sorry, I don't have any items that are $1 available. Meow? Meow, meow. I'm a cow. I said meow, meow. I'm a cow.
Lizard. 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 Lizard.
Oh my gosh.
Lizard. Lizard. Lizard.
What is happening right now? I'm trying to sew down the fins onto Ariel's tail. Okay. Yep. Alright, there we go. That's all we needed to do for the first fin. Now we need to sew down the second fin. And I'm not saying Finn as in my best friend's kid's name. Don't try. Just do it. There's no trying. There's only doing. Alright. Perfect. Fin number 1 attached. Now, hey! Stop that. Fin number 2. Peer pressure. Everyone's doing it. You gotta do it. Nike says the same thing. Just do it! Who's there? Oh, it's Moxie collecting their daily treat. Thank you very much. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to tighten as much as I can. Hydration, thank you very much. Cheers to you. You guys can also donate $1 to our Tiltify campaign to have me uncomfortably ASMR gulp slurp water directly into the microphone and make Lizzie incredibly upset. Just saying. Dance, dance to the Welcome in. A Dodge is sewing up a storm. From evolutions to Lapras plushies, this crafty streamer is all about that makers and crafting life. When they're not busy with their sewing machine, you might catch them hanging out with some cats or even dog sitting. Ooh, I love this. Tune in for some cozy crafting vibes and maybe even a new project or two. I love it. Immediately going to follow you. Immediately. Immediately. Follow. There it is. Done. That follow. Boom. Done right there. Welcome in, Raiders. A Dodge, how are you? Thank you so much for choosing my community for your raid. We are crocheting today. We finished off
Welcome to the Boot Crew.
Mini dragon today. So we worked on a dragon, and now we are working on finishing up an aerial commission. But we do a lot of Pokemon here as well. I crochet all different kinds of Pokemon. Oh, wait, there's 2 of them right there. You can see I've done this pattern before. I am also a charity fundraiser, so we are fundraising for St. Jude right now, but I do open Pokemon card packs. So speaking of Lapras, we opened this Ice Baby Pokemon pack a week or so ago and pulled this cute Lapras. Thank you for placing the link for our St. Jude campaign in chat, Lizzie, so that you can click on that Tiltify campaign and help us get to our next goal. You can either go there or you can go to our auction house that is also in chat. We have lots of different craft items. My mom is a sewer, so she donated a bunch of items that she has sewn from different fabrics. I have donated some crochet items. Lizzie donated some crochet items. We've got people who've donated 3D printed items. We've got people who've donated cross-stitch items, people who've donated resin, poured items, lots of different things that you can check out in that auction. It goes until the end of this month.
The hunt is on
May
for
31st.
sweets and
Anti-People Kitty
treats.
says Grayson Potion Lancelot treat. Okay. Can you give Lego the special lightning treat, please? Of course. Did you land? Here you go, here you go, buddy. There you go, Lancelot. Did you land? We are also you did? Did you? I believe you, but when? I don't see a land for a long time. Where are the other puppies? Grayson, Potion! Come get your treaty from Auntie Purple Kitty. Go get your Treato.
Nice shot.
There you go. Lizzie has landed. That's basically a 99. That's an 88 is basically a 99, right? That's very close. That's close enough. In my book, that's basically a 99. Here you go, buddy. Here's your heart. Say thank you, Auntie Purple Kitty. Yum. Grayson is sleepy. This is for Lizzie. But don't worry, if you would also like to get your own Moxie, you could also earn your own Becca eye contact. No, this is for sister, not for you, buddy. You already had yours. This is for sister. This is for Popo. No, you've already had yours. I gave you yours already. He is staring at this treat, Purple Kitty. He is staring at this treat, and he's like, Potion's not even here yet, so I get it, right? You snooze, you lose, sister. Must keep watch. Oh no! You snooze, you lose, sister. You don't think that's what Lightning is thinking? You think he means the treat that you get a lot? What do you mean? I guess I'm confused. I'm stuck and I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't even finished my rage spiel for our raiders. We are a charity fundraising community. I am a music therapist. I work with kids with special needs. So this is a wholesome, welcoming, family-friendly community that strives to bring joy and positivity for everybody of all ages and abilities. I hope you find yourself welcome, loved, and blessed here. If you guys are still here and still lurking in chat, thank you so much for choosing this community. If you need to raid and run, though, please take care of yourself IRL before URL. Every streamer says that, I'm sure, to take care of yourself and raid and run, all that kind of stuff. But literally, if you want to just leave a lurk open, then that helps support charity as a free way to be benefiting charity. So you being here and just helping me advocate, thank you, Grayson. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. We have a Bobo's here. We have a Grayson who's trying to climb under my desk right now. Anybody want to come deal with this boy? Anybody want to come deal with this boy for me? Somebody come take care of this dog. Lightning says he'll come take care of you, okay? Yeah? Yeah, Lightning says he'll take care of you. Yeah. He's gonna come play with you and snuggle with you and rub your face and scratch your ears and give you butt scratches. Yeah, but not me. I'm busy. I have to crochet. My hands are required for my crafting, my love. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bobby. Grayson is going to the groomers on Monday, so he is hopefully going to be extra handsome. He's gonna smell so good. He's gonna have short trimmed nails, and he's gonna have the Furminator, so he's gonna stop shedding for at least 3 days. Right? You're gonna stop shedding after you go to the groomers. I know you're gonna be so mad at me. I understand you'll be very mad at me, and I will deserve it. I'm going to deserve your disdain for a day, but you're gonna get a big treato after your visit to the groomers. I need to brush your teeth. Your teeth are very yellow, dude. Oh my gosh. I need to brush your teeth. My goodness. Okay, now we've done this part of the fins. So let's cut the string. Let's cut this off.
Lizard.
Welcome to the Boo Crew.
Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to Becca Boo Crew. I must eat you. We do have anonymous follows on, so if you would like to say hello or you just want to sit back and watch
Nice
and
shot.
you're welcome to do so. Lizzie, congrats on your landing. And also welcome back from being timed out. Lightning, you didn't land. Okay, let's zoom this back in. You guys don't need to be seeing my lap. Get out of there, chat. You don't need to be looking at my lap. Inappropriate. We don't need the lap stream. It was you. Hello. You were going to sleep. You'll check me out again. Fun stream. Thanks for helping the cancer kids. You are so welcome. Thank you for coming in and chilling with us. I appreciate you. Have a good sleep. Thank you for coming in and being with us today, as we have some silliness and some chaos. Pretty normal. Hopefully I'll be doing some more Lego builds. I have a couple more kits back there. The fake Legos. I can't afford the real Legos. But oh my gosh, the new Lego Minas Tirith. Oh, I may add that to my wedding registry. I'm just saying. That Lego Minas Tirith. Oh, spectacular. But I can't afford $700. I can't. I can't justify $700 for a Lego set. Lego's gonna give you a 10-second timeout treat. Yeah, maybe. He probably would, honestly. It sounds like something Lightning would do. Okay, let's also weave this in. Okay. And let's also weave this in here too.
Lizard. 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 Lizard.
Okay.
Lizard. 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 Lizard.
All right.
Lizard.
Now we have
lizard,
all the
lizard.
little strands out of my way. So we can.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Excuse me? Mommy? Sorry.
Weaving, weaving,
Mommy?
weaving.
Sorry. Mommy?
What
Sorry.
else do you do with your
Mommy?
life?
Sorry. Mommy?
All right. So now I don't have a strand, so we're gonna cut a strand to sew this part onto the head. I need this hair out of my way though. So if we're going to sew this here. Let's take our Ami stick. There. There. Alright, so there's our Ami stick helping us weave this down. Why are you honking at me? Ads kick off in 5 minutes. Just a heads up, if you are not subscribed, you're going to sit through 3 minutes of ads, but please stick around because it does financially help support keeping the stream going. Alright, so let's sew this down. I have not sewn the hair onto the head, so I'm very surprised that the hair has stayed on.
Peaches, 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 peaches,
Peaches, peaches, peaches, peaches, peaches. I love you. Oh, I'm sorry, I hit the microphone. I'm so sorry. Probably broke your eardrums. Peaches equals pineapple? No. 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 Just what's wrong with you? Now. Exclamation point, no.
No, God!
Thank you.
No, God,
Exactly.
please,
Lightning
no,
understands.
No! No!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
no.
Yes, yes, sir.
No, sir. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
No,
yes,
sir. No, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, we are done sewing the head onto the body. Oops, now she's bald. There we go. The hair finally fell off. She's bald, chat! It's all a lie. It's just a wig. It's just a wig. No! Heck. You know what? Bald is beautiful, and she could bid on one of these headbands. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that headband would look on her. You wouldn't even know that she's bald. See? She's beautiful. She's naked. She's naked, but beautiful. Just stop looking. There you go. Ads are starting in 1 minuto. Alright, there we go. There's this. Now we can add. Let's give her some modesty. You hope for some more Lego ads? We'll find out. Let us know. Lizzie is spawning a bunch of dungeons because she's like, I don't have to save up the channel points for a custom entry sounder anymore. Lightning gifted that to me. I'm good to go. I can do whatever I want now. It's
Nice
fair
shot.
game. Who's landing? That's basically a 99. That is even more. Basically a 99. That is so close to being the actual 99 that I think we should just count it as a 99.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No, God, please, no! No!
Why not?
No!
Geico. Okay, alright. We got some Geico ads. I'm guessing everybody gets the same ads. This will be interesting to find out. Lightning is doing this for science and for helping the kids. He decided, I am going to save all of my extra income. I'm not going to subscribe to people on Twitch because I want my extra money to go to fighting cancer and helping St. Jude patients. There we go. Fanatics Casino, alright. There. Alright, she has her boobies are covered now. Exclamation point and join. Snapdragon. All right, there we go. So speaking of Bikini, for those of you that don't know, we are giving away this snail that I have named Bikini at $1,500. So right here at this halfway mark, at $1,500, we are giving away this crochet snail named Bikini. In addition to doing kazoo karaoke. So if you want to hear the obnoxiousness of kazoo karaoke, all we gotta do is finish our campaign with $1,500. If you want to see the chaos of Elden Ring, we gotta reach $25,000 for St. Jude. Alright, let's make her not bald anymore. It's freaking me out. There we go. Firehouse subs, a water park. Okay. Ooh, what water park? Is it Schlitterbahn? Oh no, she's bald again. Dang it. Dum dum. Welcome back from ads. Dum dum.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yes?
Excuse me? Mommy? Sorry.
What?
Mommy? Sorry. Mommy? Sorry. Mommy? Sorry. Mommy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
All right, there we go. We got one arm attached. Gotta squish her body a little bit. She's a little bit tall. Tall torso.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Yes. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's plop this guy down here. Alright, we got another dungeon. Exclamation point join. Alright, I'm sewing this into her head. So when we add the hair, it all looks fine and dandy. There we go. One more spot to weave this in. Done. Now, the hard part, which is why I never did continue with her, was to get the hair attached. And that has been the hardest challenge so far, is getting her hair to be attached. Because it says in the pattern you don't want it to be all obnoxious like this. It wants me to like sew these together along the seams so her hair is not super obnoxious. More stabbing. Always with the stabbing. So I want to be sure that this is perfectly symmetrical right in top of her head. It is. So here we go. We start attaching the hair. This will finish up our stream for today once I get the hair attached. You're gonna stop, drop, and roll? Exclamation point join! Get in on these last few dungeons. Alright, we're stuck. We are stuck. What's happened here? There. Not sure what happened there, but we got it. We figured it out. PK? You're still awake, young lady. Not me reprimanding Purple Kitty for being awake past her bedtime. I'm just doing what Sploofs has me do to her as well. Because Sploofs also wants someone to hold her accountable to a reasonable bedtime. It doesn't work, but she still wants it. Ow! Son of a biscuit. That hurt. I think we're safe to take this out of her skull. Oops. See, these hair pieces are so hard to maneuver around. Bedtime, what's that? Reasonable, they exist. I mean, it's all relative. What is reasonable for somebody is not reasonable for another person. But yeah, I feel like there are reasonable bedtimes. Nothing good ever happens after 10 p.m. Let's be real. Nothing good happens after 10 p.m. Alright, we're gonna go back through, now that we have sewn the actual scalp to the base of the hair. We're gonna sew part of the hair pieces down just slightly more. Except when Santa comes. That's fair. That is true. You are making very valid points. What is Lightning deleting his own messages?
Nice shot!
I haven't even given you guys the eyeballs in a while. I haven't given the eyeballs in a while. Here you go. I'm mocking you? I would never. I am not mocking you in the slightest. I'm giving you the uncomfortable back of eye contact that you guys work really hard to deserve. That's why PK can't go to sleep, is because of the nightmares. Well, to be honest, she shouldn't be looking because she didn't land. So she shouldn't be getting any nightmares because she hasn't landed. So she's not actually looking at the Becca eye contact. So if she's cheating and she's actually looking at the Becca eye contact, then that's on her. Stop it. Stop it. Thank you. Alright, this little piece right here has a tiny knot. I'm gonna cut it off. There. Save me some annoyance. Exclamation point join. Lizzie has another dungeon for us. You never look except for when it's for you. Exactly. Because you are a rule follower. And that's why we appreciate you around here, Lizzie. You follow the rules. You don't try and cheat. Yeah, I haven't dropped in a while. Here, let's see what happens. Who's calling me? Oh, hold on, one sec.
Nice shot!
Alright, it was Grayson's groomers just confirming that we are still coming to his appointment. And I was like, yep, we are still coming. He needs to get clean. I landed though, so hey. Heh. But it wasn't a good land. Oh, PK, so Miss Rebecca and I played some Repo last night. And girl, can I tell you that it was chaotic. It was chaos. One of the mods, I guess one of the mods was borked or something, because we went into our first map just with our normal mods that we've been doing that work so far with this new update, and we went into the map, the very first map. We had 4 extracts. The first extract, it was 257,000 money to do the first extract. When you know, most of the extracts are like what, 17,000, 14,000? This one was 257,000. And we were like, oh my god, what's happening right now? And the game, it gave us hundreds of big items, like those big servers, big computers, snowmobiles, the giant towers, those big things that are worth like 20, 30, 40,000. It gave us so many of those that we couldn't even fit them on the extract with Tetris and everything. And then we didn't have a single monster until I opened the first door. And as soon as I opened the first door to go look for more items, every single monster spawned. All at the same exact moment in time. And we were just like, yeah, we were able to get 170,000 onto the extract, and we were just like, there's no more space. We physically can't do it. We had it stacked Tetris style on top of themselves, and we couldn't get any more, so we backed out of the game, turned one of the mods off, and then loaded back in, and it was fixed, and there were no more issues. But oh my gosh, talk about terrifying. It was so weird. Do I have Overcooked All You Can Eat? I have Overcooked something. I don't know if I have the All You Can Eat. Let me see. 1 second. Steam. Alright, we've got library. We have... Where's O? O is up here. Element OP. I've Overcooked 2. That's all that I have. I don't have Overcooked All You Can Eat. Looks like all I have is Overcooked 2. Bum 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 ba-dum beep bum beep ba-dum bum bum bum. Dum bum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-ba-dum ba-ba-dum. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, gamers, we have sewn down Ariel's hair onto the doll. All we gotta do is make her little cute little mouth, which I could actually make with this red yarn. so we're not wasting any yarn. Perfect. All right, there we go. Our Ariel doll is all done. I'm just gonna weave down a few more strands. Okay. All right, all done. Boom. Another finished project added to our list. Huge. I'll join that. All right, there we go. So our Ariel is finished. I think she's super cute. It's not my best work that I've ever done, but I feel like it's still very, very cute. We've got her finished. Can you also, somebody type !dogs, D-O-G-S, and just see if the command that I put into StreamerBot works. Dang it. Okay, it doesn't work. So that stinks because it's not a follower emote, it's a subscriber only. But I figured if it's coming from my name, I'm subscribed to my chat. That's what it's supposed to come up. It's supposed to have all 3 of the doggos. Aww, Lightning, thank you for your $15 donation to the campaign. I got 99 in the dice game. No one got 99 or higher in the drop game. I'm going to be nice and just do it. On the artwork, draw you being so innocent. Oh my gosh. What? You want me to open a Ice Baby Pokemon pack, do a doodle, and sweet and sour grab. All right, let's put this away. Put our little Ariel to the side. Thank you so much, Lightning. I appreciate it. Here's our little Ice Baby. Let's see what we get. Oop, I'm not sure which way is front and which way is back. There we go. All right. Thank you so much, Lightning. We were very close. We had a 97, and I think, did we ever get a 98 at one point? I don't remember what. I think, Lizzie, you were at 91, 94. I don't remember what you had on Monday that we were like, oh, it's so close. All right, here we go. We have. Wait, we're gonna flip it this way. Bam. We've got a Oinklong, which is the evolution to our little piggy friend here. Oinklong. 98 from that's right. Yeah. We also have a Greedent. So these are like new age Pokemon. And what's this? Irida? Cool. Nice. All right. So we didn't get a rare this time, but hey, super cute. I guess the Oinklong is the EX, so that's probably the rare that we should have done. So I guess the blue is the one that we're supposed to open last. I think maybe that's what it's supposed to be. I don't know. But it's a little TV, isn't it? It's so cute. It's so cute. Super cute. Thank you, Lightning. Here's our sweet and sour grab next. All right, so we're shaking it up, and powder. Sour powder.
Yes, sir. Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, indeed. All right, now we're gonna draw lightning being innocent. Okay. I got you. One moment, please. Microsoft Paint. Becca loves her sour. I really do. I love sour a whole bunch. Just not when I'm not expecting it. When I'm not expecting it, it's not as much. Not so much. Also, Lightning, what would you like for your image on the digital art piece? Because you have your Boo Crew on here twice. Do you want me to do a third Boo Crew? So you have your Boo Crew Lego on here twice. Do you want me to add a third? You too can get your name, your screen name, and image of your choice on this digital art piece. I'm gonna scoot this over. This one's a little bit close. There we go. That's better. Whoops, it's almost 2 a.m. How'd that happen? Whoops. Who did that? Give you a minute? No problem. No rush. Let's see. We're gonna pull up. Let's look at clip art innocent. I want to see like an idea of what innocence looks like. So just a little halo. I think a halo. This is what I want for Lightning. This is the image that I want. PK, go to sleep. Who fast forwarded that clock? It's daylight savings time. Yeah, it fast forwarded by like 4 hours. Waiting for your phone to start up so you can put me on the phone. You're so sweet. I'm only going to be live for like another 10-15 minutes. You want that emote? Love it. I can do that. Absolutely. All right, let's pull up Paint. Actually, you know what? Hold on, let's come over here to Lightning. Can you message me your emote? And I'll try just to copy that emote. Until PK falls asleep. Yes, yeah, exactly. I will be streaming until Purple Kitty falls asleep. 4 hours later, we're still going, and I'm hungry. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dee-da-da-dum. Bum, ba-dum, be-ya-da. Ba-da-da-dee-da-dee-da-dum. Ba-dee-ba-dee-da-dee-da-dum. All right. So we're going to start off with a yellow circle. We're going to fill that yellow circle with more yellow. And then we're going to draw a white goatee. We're going to fill that in with white. Okay. But now we have to draw with a black outline. No. What we're going to do, we're going to fill the rest of this background with like a blue color because Lightning likes the color blue, and then we're going to use white for the rest of the goatee. Alright, there's our goatee for Lightning. And then, I'm trying to zoom in on this emote here. It needs a little bit of gray. It's just a little bit of gray. A little bit of gray, some shadowing thrown in here. We're trying to add some shadows to this. I'm gonna give him shoulders too. He needs some shoulders. There you go. You got some shoulders here. Let's fill that in with black. Beautiful. All right, welcome in, Desi. How is it going? I don't like that color red for blush, though. Yeah, like this. But I wish it would be a little bit more translucent. Yeah, like an airbrush. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Perfect. We're gonna go back to our brush. We're drawing. You DM'd me? Okay, thank you. You can ask me a question? Yeah, ask me a question. Go for it. I'm gonna scooch this over here off screen. Use that on the St. Jude picture. Okay, I can absolutely do that. I'll put that image on there. Is it a question for the class or just for Becca? That's a great question. Can you ask a genuine question? I mean, I'm always happy to answer as long as it's a family-friendly question and you're okay with me answering it on stream. That's my only little caveat. It's a class question? Okay, yeah, go for it. I'm gonna draw a halo above his head. It's not a very good halo. It was too lopsided. There we go. Better. Better. I would like it to be a little bit thicker, so let me change the thickness. That's too thick. That's better. There we go. That's better. Better. Hey, what happened to my paint? Hello? What happened to my Microsoft Paint? Why did that minimize? That was weird. Is it silly or self-centered of you to celebrate 1 year in remission and 3 months on Twitch? No, absolutely not. Girl, no. That is not self-centered. At all. That is a celebration. That is a celebration. That is absolutely something you should do. Not silly. Not self-centered at all. Congratulations. Exactly. That is... It's like celebrating a birthday. It's a year of new healthy life for you. That's amazing. Amazing. Exclamation point. Oh, I already joined. Never mind. Desi is streaking as well. Everybody avoid eye contact with Desi. Close your eyes. We have a streaker in chat. You got 3 months to go, but it's still coming up. Yeah. You're getting there. You're getting there. That's a little bit too big of an eyeball. That's better. All right. Eyeballs. And then we need to do... Okay. Now we need to lower the eyebrow thickness a little bit.
Nice shot!
Who landed? 22.77. Alright, nice land lightning. Okay. Okay. How are we looking? Exclamation point join. I don't know if I want it to have it black or just stick with the blue. I don't know what looks better. I don't know what looks better, the blue or the black. What makes it look more like a halo? The blue? Okay. Alright, he needs a little bit of... There we go. A little bit of under eye baggage, you know. We are all old. We have the under eye bags. He needs a little bit of the under eye baggage. There you go. Is that better? We need a little bit of gray. We need a little bit of gray right around the edges too here. Hold on. There. Perfect. Alright, let's sign it. That is too large of a pen. There we go. Alright, there we go. We're gonna crop this. Yeah.
Nice shot.
We're gonna crop it. Crop. There we go. Perfect. A double land. Wow. Send it to you? Absolutely will. And I'm gonna add some text for you. We're gonna put the text in red. Alright, make this font bigger. There we go. Boom. File. Save as. Innocent. GG's. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Go find somebody to raid. Gotta come over here to Twitch. Exclamation point join. Hurry, 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 hurry. 3 seconds. Or 5 seconds. However much you want to say. Did we raid over into this person before? I don't remember if we have raided over into them or if I just viewed
Meow.
their channel.
Meow, 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 meow.
Raid targets.
Meow, 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 meow,
We have
meow.
not.
Meow.
All right, we're going to go raid over into Visual Pine. Pine is also a streamer for St. Jude. He actually hit his campaign goal before he started to go live.
Excuse
And
me? Excuse
he
me?
now has to
Excuse me?
wear a
Mommy?
Legend of
Sorry.
Zelda
Mommy?
cosplay
Sorry.
costume
Mommy?
suit
Sorry.
every
Mommy?
stream for the
Sorry.
entire month of
Mommy?
May. He's also playing Legend of Zelda Wind Waker. He's doing a long stream today. So let's go give him some love. Thank you for letting me finish off 2 crochet projects today. Thank you for people getting into the auction and bidding. Yes, I'm going to put the blue on the... I'm going to copy this image right now. And come over here and push paste image. All right, you are on
Lizard. Lizard.
the
Lizard.
digital art
Lizard.
piece.
Lizard. 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 Lizard.
All right, you are on the digital art piece a 3rd time. Thank you for your donation again, Lightning. Thank you very, very much.
Lizard.
You're so kind.
Lizard.
Very generous.
Lizard. Lizard.
There you go, I'll show you.
Lizard.
There, you're on it a 3rd time, right
lizard,
there.
Lizard. 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 Lizard.
There. Boom. All right, we're gonna go raid the Visual Pine. Like I said, he's playing some Legend of Zelda Wind Waker. So let's go hang out with him as he fundraises for St. Jude as well. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a blessed, wonderful, amazing weekend. If I don't see you on Monday, then hopefully you guys will come hang out in our bonus stream on Wednesday, which is the final stream that I have for our St. Jude campaign, unless I'm not feeling super jet lagged and can stream on the 31st. But otherwise, here we go. Make sure you copy that raid message. I definitely did not copy that raid message. There we go. Now I have. Here you go. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, mashed potato. See you soon, macaroon. Say goodbye, pumpkin pie, toodaloo, kangaroo. Catch you later, operator. Adios, cinnamon toast. See you later. Goodbye, butterfly. And if you too would like to have one of these guitar mitten little covers, the peg protectors as my mom calls them, you can bid on the St. Jude auction, !auction, open until the end of May. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, everybody. I'll see you guys Monday. Bye!